Good afternoon everyone. Today we're going to tackle about roasting. Roasting, a cooking method that uses dry heat to cook food. For this lesson, we have two common types of roasting. Number 1, the drum roasting. Drum type roasting machine roasts the coffee beans as they tremble on a rotating drum that typically heated by a gas or a wood. Number 2, hot air roasting. This roasts the coffee beans as they tremble on a current of a hot air. Degrees of a roasting coffee beans. Light roast. This requires 193 degrees Celsius or 380 Fahrenheit. Medium roast. This requires 250 degrees Celsius or 380 Fahrenheit. Dark roast. This requires 218 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit. Roast levels. We have 4 types of roast levels. Number 1, light roast. This has a light color. This has a brittle texture and this is difficult to spit. For the characteristics, this has high level of acidity and retained most the caffeine from a coffee bean. Common names: light city, half city, cinnamon roast, roasted just before the crack, New England roast. This has shelf life of 21 days. Medium roast. Medium brown shade, more body than light roast and no oil. Slightly more brittle, little smoother texture, and this has mild level of acidity, exhibiting more balanced flavor, aroma, and acidity. Higher level of bitterness than light roast. Caffeine is somehow decreased. Regular roast. This has a common name of regular roast, American roast, city roast, breakfast roast. This has a shelf life of 14 days. Medium dark roast. Have a richer dark color with some oil, a little bit shiny, has heavy body in comparison with light or medium roast, noticeable flavor and aroma, somewhat spicy in taste, milder acidity than the medium roast, lesser caffeine than the light or medium roast. This has a common name of full city roast, after dinner roast, Vietnam roast. And this has a shelf life of 10 days. Dark roast. Dark shade or brown to black with lower density, brittle, smooth in texture, appearance shiny and oily. Low level of acidity, has a bitter and smoky or even burnt taste. High level of bitterness than compared light or medium roast, medium and dark roast. Caffeine is substantially decreased. This has a common names of French roast, Italian roast, espresso roast, continental roast, New Orleans roast, Spanish roast. Types of grind. Extra coarse grind. This uses cold brewing like Toddy Brewer. Coarse coffee grind, most commonly used in French press coffee. Coarse grind. This uses French press pot and cupping. Medium coarse coffee grind used in specially devices like Cafe Solo and Chemix Brewer. Medium coarse grind. This usually used a Cafe Solo and Chemix Brewer. Fine grind. This kind of grind uses in espresso. This also used a special device like stovetop, espresso, and mocha pot. Extra fine grind. This is usually called a Turkish coffee. This also uses a brick. Extra fine coffee grind uses in Turkish coffee. Okay, that's all everyone. Thank you for listening.